So the product I'm using today is Chalkola, and they are premium wet wipe markers. So they're chalk pens and metallic markers that can be used on anything non-porous. So today I'm going to be using some stick-on chalkboard surface, but you can use it on whiteboards, you can use it on your glasses, you can use it on your windows, and it wipes clean with either just a dry wipe, or you can also wipe it off with some dry erase marker cleaners. And I'm going to get started doing a nice little doodle, and I'm going to do it in time lapse. So here we go. This set came with 10 chalk markers and 6 of the metallic removable markers. And for these markers, for the metallics, all you need to do is remove the cover and you can get started. For the chalk markers, you do need to prime them, so you need to give them a shake before you use them for the first time. Give them a good shake. And then to get the ink started, the chalk ink, you have to just do a little press to get the ink flowing down to the tip of your marker. These are made by Chalkola, and I will link to them in the video description.